How to remove a connection on LinkedIn. To get started, go ahead and open up the LinkedIn application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the LinkedIn homepage. Here, you can view posts from all your connections and pages that you follow on LinkedIn. On this page, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Go to your profile from here. Once you're here, tap on your connections as shown. You can view all your connections on LinkedIn over here. If you want to remove any connection from here, then tap on the three dots beside their name. Here, tap on Remove Connection at the bottom. You have now successfully removed this connection from your profile. You can repeat this to remove other connections on LinkedIn as well. Following these steps, you can easily remove a connection on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.